Well, can you believe we just spent an entire week painting together? It's been an honor of mine, and already I'm getting questions asking, what is next? I don't want to stop. Like, do you have anything else? And I'm very happy to say, yes, I do. I have something if you want to keep going. I just opened a brand new platform called The Abstracted Artist. How appropriate, right? It is for those of us that want to paint abstract. You can be a beginner and looking for foundations. You don't have to have any experience. I got you. You could be an artist that has a practice but wants to fill in knowledge and knowledge gaps, just missing information. You're welcome here too. You could be someone that has an established art practice but really wants to go deeper into the world of abstract. I love that. There is a place here for all of you, and those are like my favorite things to do. So if you are interested in coming with me and taking that deep dive into this incredible world of abstract, feeling what it's like to have complete freedom of expression, to create paintings that move you emotionally, bring passion into the painting, make moody paintings, all of that. I can show you how to do that. I want you to know that I truly believe we are all artists, and if you are interested in learning more, I can show you how to get there. This is a place for everyone. And let me tell you a little bit about it. You guys are gonna get a slightly different offer that I'm gonna put out in the world because you've come through Abstract Paint Week with me. You've trusted me to take you through that. And I can't tell you how honored I am to have had that privilege. Now, Abstract Paint Week is a monthly ongoing learning platform. I'm starting it at $20 a month just for you guys. And here's what you're gonna get. There's gonna be something every single week. Now on the months that are 5 weeks long, we're just gonna take a little break. And if you have catch up, you can do catch up. But this is mainly designed to fit into your already busy existing lives. So every week we're gonna get a little something. Let me give you some examples. Week 1, we'll get some exercises, video demos from me that you can watch at your leisure. Challenges to specific paint palettes. How do we work with them? What can we create from this? Week 2 will be a live or recorded monthly masterclass on a specific topic that you guys are asking me for. Then in week 3, we'll paint an abstract concept because that's what this is all about. Think, for example, healing. What does that look like when you paint it in a painting? What colors do you use? How do you move the paint? What tools are you going to use to express that? Right? It's amazing and so freeing when you do that. And then week 4, we're going to have a live Q&A call every single month where you get answers to all your questions. You're going to get personalized guidance in areas that you want. And I'm going to hold a welcome call on February 6th for everyone who signs up. And we're going to work through what specifically you want in this so I can design it based on your needs, right? Now I have a special offer. I know that many of you live in different time zones, and so we're not able to attend the live class today, but I threw out a special offer for those, and so I'm just going to tell you about it here. If you join the Abstracted Artists before midnight tonight, and today is January 31st, midnight tonight, Pacific time zone, I will give you a 20-minute one-on-one call, meant a Zoom, mentor, or you tell me specifically, look, I'm really struggling in these areas. I would like classes based on that. And that's what I'm gonna do. I want to design this so that it is exactly what you want and need to really propel yourself in the world of abstract art. And you can totally get there. I want you to know it's a lot about shifting our mindset, and that's what I'm going to be working on. And then we're going to translate it directly onto the canvas. I mean, just thinking about it gets me all excited because I love this stuff. So just know, I got you. I've been everywhere like you guys have been with the struggles. I've been there. I know what to do. And you can get there too, to that point. I just imagine creating, not only just creating abstract paintings, but creating paintings that you are just absolutely in love with and so proud to show other people. We will do it together. And if you join before tonight is over, before midnight Pacific time on January 31st, I will give you a one-on-one call where you can tell me all your needs, everything you want to learn in this world of abstract, and I will take you there. So thank you for joining us again. And this offer of the $20 a month abstracted artist is available until February 3rd. And then I'm going to reintroduce it to the general public at $25 a month. Oh, and if I haven't mentioned, when you join, you are locked in at that price. As long as you are a member, that will never go up. That's my commitment to you for trusting me to take you there. So I hope you join us. I'd love to help you continue to go deeper into that world of abstract paint and start making paintings that only you can create. And join us on that February 6th welcome call. And I will see you there.